Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. When you use QuickBooks Online Advanced or Intuit Enterprise Suite, you get Spreadsheet Sync, which gives you the ability to view your company's data in Excel. With Spreadsheet Sync, you can create customized reports, track your business's progress, and make changes or updates to transactions and other information. Let's go over how to access Spreadsheet Sync, use it to run reports with your company info in Excel, and import new info from a spreadsheet into your books. First, select the Settings menu and select Spreadsheet Sync. Follow the instructions to use Spreadsheet Sync in Excel. After you've set up Spreadsheet Sync, you can use it to access your company's info. Sign in using your Intuit username and password. From here, you can create reports, use a spreadsheet to create or edit company records, and create or edit budgets. Let's create a report. Select the company you want to run a report for, and then select the report you want to run, or start typing the name of the report and select it. Let's look at a profit and loss statement. You may need to choose an accounting method. Then enter a date range for the data you want to see. And you can apply more filters. When you're done, select Run Report. Here's when the report was last updated. You can set it to automatically refresh as you work, or manually update it with a quick refresh. Select Edit Filters to change the filters you chose when you built the report. In addition to reports, you can also edit your data in Excel. Select Go Home. Then select Create or Edit Records and Sync. Select your company. Choose the type of data you want to access or post. Let's work with invoices and bills. Then choose whether you want to enter new records or edit existing info. If you use custom fields, choose the fields that you want to fill in for the transactions. Select Load Template. Select Notes and Controls to see an extensive guide on syncing your Excel info. Enter information about transactions on each line of the sheet. And when you're done, select Sync to QuickBooks. Then Sync. Select Go Home. Clear data. You can also create and edit budgets from Spreadsheet Sync. Check out this video to learn more about that. Now you can use Spreadsheet Sync with Excel to run reports and update info in QuickBooks and Intuit Enterprise Suite.